In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn a horizontal video into a vertical video so you can mass upload videos to social media platforms. A lot of people are struggling to do this. They're using different tools, different software. They're confused. Some of the tools are asking for money, subscription. So you can do this for free, okay? So step by step, I'm going to show you how you can get one of your videos and turn it into a vertical video so you can upload it to social media like Instagram, TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to create. You're going to go into your Canva account, okay, and then you're going to come to create, click on create, and then you're going to find a lot of things down here, okay. So what we're going to do here is we are just going to click on the mobile video here, okay. All right, so it's already done the format for our mobile video, okay. So I am just going to actually make this a bit bigger, all right, and then I'm going to come to upload, and I'm not going to upload my video file, all right, the video file that is horizontal, and I want to turn it into vertical. So I'm going to scroll, I'm going to find that video, and it's this one here. Let's just upload it, okay. And then it's taking its time, and there you go, this is done. I'm just going to drag this into this, okay.
If you love the idea of selling books but hate writing essays, good news, you can make money online with zero author drama.
Books,
okay, here's how.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to make it smaller. We are going to pull this, okay. I'm just going to keep on doing it until it gets resized, okay. Simple as that. See how I'm doing it? Making it easy for you, alright? So there's no, let's just take it a bit to the top. So you can see how easy it is, okay? Now, in your case, if you're going to do a video, okay, so let me just get this to the side here, and then there you go. And watch this.
If you love the idea of selling books but hate writing essays, good news.
There you go. That's how easy it is, okay? So don't make things complicated. If you have a video that's in a form that you want to turn it into something else for social media platforms, just use Canva for free. You don't need to go out there, go into these tools and all this and do all these complicated stuff, because it's just going to become very hard. You're going to get confused. So just come into Canva, drop in your video and start adjusting the size. If you don't want to use Canva for any reason and you just want to use a software and a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you, and it's free, and you can resize videos, you can create videos, you can edit videos, etc., then I am going to give you a software and tool in this video that you can use. It does everything for you. You can create videos, you can edit videos, you can resize videos, you can turn a horizontal video into a vertical videos. In fact, most of the top gurus and top social media influencers are using the same tool to create these shorts, videos, and do all the edits using this tool. And the tool is called CapCut, okay. CapCut is a tool where you can create videos, you can edit videos, you can resize videos, you can put text elements on it, you can put images on it, you could do nearly everything with this tool, and I highly recommend it. If you are someone who's a social media influencer, you are creating shorts, you are creating, and you're very into this YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Shorts, TikTok, etc., I highly recommend using this tool. It's free as well, and the free, they do have a paid version, but the free does most of the heavy liftings for you, okay. I have a free account. I'm not a paid member. You can use it for free as well to do all the heavy lifting for you, and it's one of the best tools and best softwares out there, that if you have a horizontal video and you want to turn it into a vertical video, you want to post it as a short on the social media platforms, then you can come to this tool, download it, okay, and turn it into a vertical. So it gives you everything. It's one of the best tools. It's an easy to use a video tool that you can use, and it has so much power in this tool, okay. Massive effects, powerful searching tools, keyframes and graphs, color wheels and auto adjust, Alright, and a lot of people are using. You can explore a variety of AI generated video effects and contents. And have you seen those AI effects, video effects that you see that pops up straight, that blurs your eyes? They are using this tool, this software called CapCut. Okay, so for any reason, if you don't want to use the Canva and you just want to use a direct software and tool that not just allows you to resize videos but actually do a lot of other cool stuff as well, go for CapCut. Download it for free onto your mobile or on desktop. They have both versions. Just do it and start using it.